In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change and edit gradient colors in Adobe Illustrator using the Properties panel. Whether you want to fine-tune an existing gradient, completely change the colors, or experiment with different styles, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process in a simple and beginner-friendly way. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently adjust gradient stops, use swatches, sliders, and the color picker to get the exact look you want. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Illustrator tips and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your Illustrator project and select the object that already has a gradient applied. This can be any shape, text converted to outlines, or any object where you've previously added a gradient fill. It's important that the object is selected, otherwise you won't see the gradient options available in the Properties panel. Next, go to the top menu and click on Window, then choose Properties. If the Properties panel is already open on the right-hand side of your workspace, you can simply use that. The Properties panel gives you quick access to appearance settings, including fill and stroke options. With your object still selected, look inside the Properties panel under the Appearance section. Here, you'll see the Fill option. If your object has a gradient applied, you'll notice a small gradient preview thumbnail inside the Fill area. Click directly on that gradient preview. As soon as you click it, the gradient controls will open in line right inside the Properties panel. This makes it very convenient because you don't have to open a separate gradient window unless you prefer to. You'll now see the gradient slider with small color stops underneath it. Each of these stops represents a color that blends into the next one. To change a gradient color, click on any of the color stops below the gradient slider. When you click on a stop, it becomes active, and you can now edit its color. This is where the customization really happens. Once a color stop is selected, you have several ways to change its color. The first method is using swatches. In the Properties panel, you can choose from your existing swatches to instantly apply a preset color. This is great if you're working with brand colors or a predefined color palette. The second method is using the color sliders. After selecting the color stop, you can adjust the RGB or CMYK sliders depending on your document color mode. Moving these sliders allows you to fine-tune the exact shade, brightness, and intensity of the color. This is especially useful when you need precise control. The third method is using the color picker. Click on the color box for the selected stop, and the color picker window will appear. From here, you can visually choose any color, enter specific hex codes, or manually adjust hue, saturation, and brightness. This is perfect when you have a specific color value in mind. Repeat this same process for any other color stops in the gradient. Simply click on another stop and adjust it using swatches, sliders, or the color picker. You can also click and drag the stops left or right to control how the colors blend together. Moving a stop closer to another creates a sharper transition, while spacing them out creates a smoother blend. If you want to experiment even further, you can adjust the gradient type, such as switching between linear and radial gradients, directly from the same gradient controls area. This gives you even more creative flexibility. And that's it. That's how you change and edit gradient colors in Illustrator using the Properties panel. It's quick, efficient, and gives you full creative control over your designs. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Illustrator tutorials and design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.